Good morning, children. How you all? Are you fine? Okay, I think you are all very good and listen carefully what I am saying. Now I am teaching mathematics to you. Okay, yesterday we learnt up to the expanded notation. Yesterday we learnt about the digits, numbers, and how to write the number name and expanded notation of a number. Now I am starting from short form of the numbers. Okay. Now short form. How we will write the short form of numbers after the expanded notation? After giving the expanded notation, for example, 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 8. They give like this expanded notation and they ask us to write the short form. If you observe the number, children, what are the place values was given? 4000, 500, 610, 60 plus 8. So, what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, after writing like that, place the digits 4000s, 500, 610s and 812s. Okay, children? Like that, you will write the short form of your number. If they given more than 4 digits, in that case, 50,000s, 700s plus 80 plus 4. If they given like that, how we will write the short form of this number? Once check through the question what they given for us. 50,000, 780 plus 4. So write the place values. Here the question was given up to 10,000, Nana. So you have to place the place values up to 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So how many 10,000s was given, Nana? 5 10,000s, 50,000s and thousands place. Not yet given any thousands place. So put 0. How many hundreds? 700. How many tens? 8 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. Okay. Next question. 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 80 plus 9. See this question. How we will write the short form of this question? Once listen. What is the question given for us? And here 5 lakh also given for example. Okay. How you will write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh up to that. Okay. See that. How many lakhs was given? 5 lakhs. How many 10,000s was given? 70,000. That means 10,000s. Next, thousands. How many thousands was given? 8,000s. Next, how many hundreds was given? Not yet given any hundreds place, Nana. So you put 0. How many tens? 8 tens and 9 ones. Okay. So this is the number what you will get after writing the short form. Okay. After writing like this, next you have to learn about the comparing of numbers. Comparing of numbers. What is meant by comparison? Comparison means it is the saying about the relation between those two. For example, if two persons was given, who is taller, who is shorter, like that if they ask, after seeing those two numbers, we will check and say, he is the taller and he is the shorter, like that. Yes. So that is the comparison. Thick, thin, okay, shorter, longer, like that. See here, I will give you a question to you. To compare the numbers, we use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. We use those symbols to compare the numbers. See these two numbers. After seeing these two numbers, seems to be very similar, but there is one more digits or maybe changes will be. Once check through that numbers. How many 10,000s? 4 10,000s. Go to the next digit. This is 5 and this is 6. So which is more number? 46,000 is the more number. So put like this. Okay. See this number. The given number and seems to be very similar these two numbers. See the numbers. 4 lakh. and here also 4 lakh. Next 6,000s, 6,000s. Next here 52 and here 25. 0, 0. Okay, next 52 here 25. So 52 is the more number now, so put like this. Okay children. In the comparison of numbers, after comparing the numbers, we will write which is greater and which is smaller. Like that only we can arrange them in ascending order and descending order. In comparison of, after comparing the numbers, we can write them in ascending order and descending order. How we will write ascending order and descending order? First one, ascending order. What is meant by ascending order, children? What is meant by ascending order, Emma? Arranging numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Arranging numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. Arranging numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. For example, I will give a question to you. While writing the ascending order, first we should compare. We should compare the number of digits. First we should count the number of digits. What are these? How many digits are there here? 5. Here 6. Here 5. And here 6. Yes. So now you have to make them to write the 5-digit number first, because that is the smallest one. So here 2 numbers plus 5-digit numbers. Yes. 38,000. Here also 38,000 only. 456. Here 765. So 456 is the smaller. Next smaller one is this. So next go to the 6-digit numbers. What are these? These two are the 6-digit numbers. See that. 5,06,000, 5,60,000. 5,06,000 is the smaller one compared to 5,60,000. After writing like that, you can make them in order. See, 38,456. Next, 38,765. 5,06,782. 5,60,708. Like that, you can make them in order. Okay. Next question. They given the number. First count the number of digits. How many was given? 5. 5. 5. All are same children. All are same. Now you have to choose which is smaller of all. Which is smaller of all. 22,000. 25. 22,205. 20,000. This is lesser than 22,000. 20,000 is the first smallest one. Go to next 3 numbers. 22,025. 22,205. So 22,025 is next. 22,205. 22,222. Which is this is third one and this is the fourth one. After writing like that, you can write. Make them in order. 20,205. Next, 22,025. 22,205. 22,250. Like that, you can write them in the ascending order. Next one is about descending order. Okay, ma? Next one is about descending order. C. Descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest number to smallest number. Arranging the numbers from greatest numbers to smallest. Arranging numbers from greatest to smallest numbers. We call it as descending order, children. How we will write the descending order of numbers? For example, they give 9, 2, 4, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one. See these numbers. They given us to write them in descending order. Descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. Same rule like ascending order. First you have to count how many number of digits are there. How many are there? Here 5, here 6, here 5, again here 6. So the number which is having 6 digits, it is the greatest. Yes, na? So here 6 digit numbers, these two are 6 digit numbers. In that this is starts with 1 lakh and this starts with 4 lakh. So 4 lakh is the greater number, na? So put 1 for that and then 1 lakh. Next 92,000, 96,000. 96,000 is the more number than 92,000. Now you can take them in order. Okay? Right. 4,25,067. 1,23,456. 96,425. 92,426. Like that you can write them in descending order. One more number I will tell you. See these numbers. Once we have to same like in ascending order and the previous sum, we have to count number of digits. How many digits are there? Then here 6, here 7, here 6, here 6. So which is greater of all? A 7 digit number what was given, that is greater of all. Very good. So now we can get the idea which is greatest of all. Next go through the next greatest. Here 7 lakh, here 8 lakh, here 6 lakh. So 8 lakh is more number, next 7 lakh and then 6 lakh. After choosing like that we can make them in descending order. How you will make them? 24,32,678. Next number which was given to 8,43,251. Next 7,84,260 and then 6,99,999. Like that you can make them in descending order. Okay, children? In the next class we will go through the systems. There are totally 2 types of systems are there while writing the number names. In the previous class you learned about the children. What are those? In the previous class you learned up to only the Indian systems you learned. In the previous class you learned only the Indian system, but this time you are going to learn not only Indian system, international system also. How it will be, what are the place values according to Indian system and what are the place values according to international system, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay children, and I will send the notes to you to WhatsApp and write the notes properly. Okay, how I will send you, like that only you present in your notebooks also. Okay, take care of your health children. Okay, don't forget to write the notes and every day do your homeworks, regularly do your homeworks children. Okay children. Okay, till then, goodbye.